Good morning, Car Tech Customs. I want to thank you for your business. This motor happens to be going into an 89 Iroc that you are doing. And this happens to be one of our LS427 engines. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo. Thing runs fantastic. I believe you're going to love it. Let it settle down to our target idle. We're running at about 172 degrees. Oil pressure is at 57 at idle. IAC looks good. AFRs are perfect. Fuel pressure is beautiful. Let's roll. We're going to take it to 6,200. Nice. All right, oil pressure, beautiful, hot oil pressure, 50 pounds. We're at 197. Everything looks. Good morning, everybody. Here's a beauty, 427 LS engine. This is a 625 build. You check the dyno out and see what it made. Fantastic motor. All of our engines are fantastic. Custom built to order, each and every engine, one at a time. Me and Steve are real stinklers about our builds. This is a small shop. We build badass motors, and we want to make sure every engine leaves here perfect, optimum. And again, it's what we do. It's what we love to do. This isn't a job for me. It's a hobby. Hey, peace.